Welcome to Machine Solutions, where we explore the remarkable journey of wood, from towering trees deep in the forest to finely crafted furniture in the factory. Let's follow the full process together. It all begins in the heart of the forest. Here, expert loggers, often called Majstor za Oberanje, demonstrate the art and skill of tree felling. These men work with precision, experience, and respect for nature. Each tree is carefully selected for harvest. Using powerful chainsaws, they make precise cuts that guide the tree's fall safely to the ground. Every movement matters. The angle of the cut, the wind direction, even the way the trunk leans. Years of experience help them determine the safest and most efficient way to bring down these giants. The work may look simple, but it requires tremendous physical strength, patience, and coordination. It's an age-old craft that connects man and nature, a tradition that continues to power the modern wood industry. From the peaceful forest floor, the logs are now ready for their next journey, one that involves raw power, engineering, and transportation on a massive scale. Once the logs are prepared, it's time for the heavy haulers to take over. Massive trucks like the GINAF 380 and the DAF 85CF roll through muddy forest roads and rugged terrain. These machines are built for endurance, carrying tons of timber to the sawmills and factories. Their trailers are reinforced to handle shifting loads and uneven ground. Every trip is a test of power, traction, and skill, ensuring that the forest's bounty safely reaches its destination for processing. With the logs delivered, the rhythm of industry takes over. At the sawmill, the transformation begins. A large industrial saw hums to life, its blades sharp enough to slice through solid hardwood like butter. The first cuts shape the logs into slabs, which are then trimmed into precise boards and planks. Modern sawmills combine traditional craftsmanship with advanced automation. Hydraulic lifters position the logs, laser guides ensure accuracy, and conveyor belts move the wood smoothly between machines. It's a blend of muscle and machine, designed for efficiency and safety. Each piece of timber is carefully inspected. The goal is to maximize yield, to use every possible inch of wood. Defective parts are separated and often recycled into wood chips, sawdust, or fuel for the factory's own boilers. The scent of freshly cut wood fills the air, a reminder of both nature's power and human ingenuity. Workers monitor the machinery, adjusting speeds and pressures to maintain perfect cuts. Some of these saws are capable of processing thousands of feet of lumber per day, enough to supply construction, furniture, and manufacturing industries worldwide. Once the lumber is cut, it moves into drying kilns, where moisture is reduced to prevent warping. The result: stable, durable boards ready for production. From here, the journey continues, from rough timber to finished product. In the next stage, the wood will be transformed into something entirely different, a piece of furniture that blends beauty, comfort, and craftsmanship. Each piece begins with carefully selected panels, already kiln-dried and leveled for stability. Skilled craftsmen and automated CNC machines work together to cut the parts with perfect precision: the legs, the frame, and the supporting base. The assembly process is both mechanical and manual. Joints are glued and pressed, then reinforced with screws or dowels to ensure strength and durability. Every part fits seamlessly, like pieces of a puzzle designed to last for years. Next comes sanding, an essential step for both quality and aesthetics. Smooth surfaces not only look better, but also absorb paint and varnish evenly. Workers run their hands over each piece, feeling for imperfections that machines can't always detect. Once the wooden frame is complete, attention shifts to the upholstery department. Here, layers of high-density foam are cut and shaped to provide support while maintaining comfort. The fabric, often a durable and breathable material, is carefully measured and stitched to fit perfectly over the cushion. The colors and textures vary, from neutral tones suited for modern homes to vibrant patterns for more creative spaces. Every design choice reflects both function and style, ensuring the footrest is not only useful but also visually appealing. Safety is a top priority. Anti-slip pads are installed on the legs, and the edges are rounded to prevent injury. This attention to detail reflects a philosophy of care, creating furniture that enhances daily living, especially for families and older adults. Once assembled, each unit undergoes a strict quality inspection. Craftsmen check the sturdiness of joints, the smoothness of the finish, and the comfort of the cushion. Only after passing all tests does the footrest receive its final coat, a protective layer that guards against scratches, moisture, and time itself. The finished product is then packaged with care and shipped worldwide. From workshops in Asia to homes in America and Europe, each footrest carries a story, one that began deep in the forest and traveled through every stage of craftsmanship and technology. It's a symbol of how far we've come, how something as natural as a tree can become a piece of comfort in our everyday lives. From forest roots to finished furniture, the journey of wood is one of nature, skill, and innovation. Each hand that touches it adds value, from the logger to the driver, from the saw operator to the craftsman. If you enjoyed watching these incredible machines and processes, don't forget to like and subscribe to Machine Solutions. Join us again next time as we explore more fascinating transformations, where raw materials meet human ingenuity.